our target audience would be middle class family as well as lower class family. That despite of using the online portal, they still go in the vegetable market, vegetable wholesale market.
A small boutique, and we want to convert in a huge.
Okay, you want to convert this boutique into a huge factory. So, okay, interesting. It's nice.
We should provide all the facilities in the flats, all luxury facilities like
lift.
Okay, you will be providing lift. So, you have a plan to actually have a plot first? Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so we have a pitch and we are planning for your support on that, and I would like my partner to tell you more about that.
Please.
But actually the thing is that we are living in a digital world, and we all know that all the thing is available online portal. So if I talk about the vegetable is also available on the online portal such as Big Bazaar, and there are many such applications. But the thing is that those online portal for vegetable, their target audience is only high class people.
Like you can see, as there are many companies like Grofers, Big Basket or Blinkit that provide you vegetable, but they are very expensive and only higher or upper middle class, which is maximum 20 to 25% of the population in the country can use them, which left the other 70 to 75% population without these. So the plan we have,
So
we
the
are
plan
trying
we
to
have,
close that
actually,
gap.
We just want to connect all those people who are left behind by the Big Basket and Rovers, and there are similar kind of application. So our target audience would be middle class family as well as lower class family. That despite of using the online portal, they still go in the vegetable market, vegetable wholesale market. So actually our plan is that we will provide that vegetable on that rate only to their home. And if I talk about the second point, like whenever we order a vegetable through Big Basket or Rofer, they will take at least 2 days to deliver the vegetable. But if I talk about our application, so our application will deliver the vegetable instantly within a 1 or 2 hours.
Okay.
This is also because that when you take a vegetable from the farm, slowly its protein, nutrients, freshness just gets lower and lower and lower. And when you take these appliances like Big Basket, Growers and Blinkit, the ratio they have, it gets lower. Like they are also doing some middleman, and which makes it very more expensive.
There is a question is arising that, you're comparing yourself to Big Basket and Grofers, right? So, but I want to ask you, like, how will you be profited and how will you profit your company that if you deliver within a single day or within 2 hours?
Yes, yes. Sir, the thing is that on an initial level of our business, we will try to tie up with a small vendor which we can get easily in the vegetable wholesale market. So we will tie up with them and we will make them convinced that your all the vegetable will definitely sell it out, but the thing is that we just need a 10% of your profit. So they will definitely accept all those things. And if I talk about the delivery boy, like there are many agencies with whom we can tie up and they will deliver our vegetable to the customer.
The thing is, in this, there is a middleman present. The farmer gets very less, the middleman takes most of the profit, and what buyer receives is very expensive. And with all of that combined,
A question is arising.
Sir.
Because like if you're talking about the poor section people or middle class section people, right? But if I talk about poor class or middle section people, like they don't like to do shopping with the help of application. They like to visit the shop. भैया बैगन कम कर दो, भैया भिंडी का कम कर दो, भैया आलू का थोड़ा और कम कर दो. How can they do with you कि भैया आलू थोड़ा कम कर दो, भाई बैगन का थोड़ा कम कर दो? How can they bargain with you? You have no bargaining option actually.
No, actually there are many things also available on the online portal. Like those people, especially who are from a middle class section or a lower class section, whenever they search their a particular item on the internet on online portal, so they buy it. So actually the idea behind is that they will definitely lose their mindset gradually, and they lose their mindset because when they get the cheap rate vegetable and it is delivering to their home. So definitely they will buy it.
And there is also this factor that if you purchase vegetable from us daily for a direct week, on the 7th day we will just give you some small rewards. And once you are buying from us gradually, you will get some small points and you can use them. So it's like a special deal for them.
Weekly you will be giving small points, and vendors give dhania ke patti free every time.
No, we will also give the dhania ke patte on a free basis.
Okay, you will give
Yes,
that.
yes, definitely.
Okay.
So it's up to them, like they
Means
can
the
add them.
concept is, it is a similar concept like whenever the middle class family or a lower class family visit to a wholesale vegetable market, sabji mandi. So they get the.
Let's compare one thing, like for let's take the example of there is a vendor, all right,
Correct.
in front of my house.
Correct.
So I go to him and I take that bhindi, lady finger,
Correct.
in 30 rupees kg.
Correct.
What will be the price of bhindi at your portal or on your portal?
32 rupees.
32
2
rupees.
rupees, and it will deliver to your.
32 rupees.
Correct.
So do you think a middle class person or a poor section person, will he be able to afford that 2 rupees extra for
Yeah,
that?
definitely.
it could be the
If I
quality
talk
of
about
their
the
life.
middle class family, like 1 or 2 rupees, it doesn't matter for them. Like most of the middle people class also visit to a McD's and Pizza Hut. They also increase the rate, and you know it is a very minimum amount.
Then you
The thing
cannot
is that
you cannot actually say that you are going to touch 75 to 80% people. You can say that you are going to touch 20% or 30% more people. Again, 50% people will lag behind.
No, the thing is that on an initial level, like if I talk about, I will sell the bindi just to pay 32. So it is our initial level. But the thing is that as our business will grow, so we will take the warehouse by our own. So we will directly purchase all the vegetable to the farmers.
Okay.
Because farmer will sell you vegetable.
Where will you
only
store?
in-
Where will you store?
In warehouse, as I told
Okay.
you.
Warehouse.
Like
warehouse.
right now, our on the initial level,
We
these are
are
just
on an initial level. So once we purchase the warehouse for our company, so they will get the lady finger in just rupee 28.
so because right now we are in the initial level, these are the baby steps of our the company. And once we are on the bigger level, we will have our warehouse. We can store vegetables more preservatively for a longer time.
But it is always called the kacha business, like if you just store in more amount or more quantity, it's going to be rotten. It's going to be
So it
petrified.
depends on how much preservation you use on that. And once we also have better transport, we will be able to deliver farther, faster, more effectively. So it will also help our company and the people.
Okay, fine. Nice business plan that you have. I'm really impressed with this. Right, definitely I would like to think about it, and let's start it, and let's make an application. And if you need any investment, that I can do for you.
Yes,
Okay.
actually we are looking for an investment of 15 crore.
15 crore.
Yes.
Why do you need 15 crores for just
Because
for an
the thing
application?
is that our competitors are very big. Like if
Okay.
I talk about the Grofers and if I talk about the Big Bazaar, they are well established company. So in order to beat them, we require a lot of money.
Okay,
And
fine.
So only because of that we can beat them.
So how much you want from me?
Sir, I need also like of how much you save and how much you use, because in the movie Meter Chalu Batti Gul, that man said one blink is 50 paisa and 50 paisa in the entire country of crores will be crore. So in this you are saving 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and in the longer run that will add up to 2 crore to 5 crore.
Interesting. Really impressed. I would like to definitely shake hand with this and collaborate with you, and nice. Thank you so much, and definitely I'll just
Thank you, sir.
we will have a plan for this. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you. Have a great time. This was really a great business plan that they both want to start and want to establish an application, which application will be taking care of the poor section and middle class section people, and which will provide vegetables within 2 hours of time to every person whoever will be asking and ordering, and in the same price or just 1 or 2 rupees more, and they want 15 crore investment from my side. Let's see what's next and what's next, what happened.
Sir, we have a business of boutique,
Okay,
and we want to help.
okay, you want my help. I can really help you out for that. So tell me your proposal and business plans.
Actually, we have a small boutique, and we want to convert in a huge.
Okay, you want to convert this boutique into a huge factory. So, okay, interesting. It's nice. So, where do you want to establish this business actually? Where do you want to start this business?
2 years.
No, where do you want to start this business?
And Shadra.
Okay, you want to start in Shadra. Okay, fine. So, okay.
Actually we are already running.
We are already running our business in Shadra. We want to run our business in Okhla, because Okhla has a very big space.
Okhla has a big space, and there are Okhla has big space of industrial area, right? So you want to open a factory kind
Yes.
of. So how many actually materials or items you want to produce or you want to make actually from your?
We made fabric. Fabric is हमारा अपना होता है, मतलब fabric.
अच्छा,
हमारा
fabric
अपना.
is yours.
Yes.
Okay.
And after that, we need some machines and needles and scissors and some helpers and
Okay.
some quality
Okay.
checkers and कुछ pattern masters
Okay.
and packing helpers.
Okay, fine, interesting, cool, very nice. All right. So, but don't you think like you have already a boutique shop, all right? You're running it well, and you want to convert in this into factory, and there will be a risk actually, right? So, why do you want to take this risk?
Actually, sir, our मतलब जो हमारा जो
We are receiving orders from US.
You are receiving orders from US. So, if you're receiving orders from US, you can also have. So, hello.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. Okay, please start it. How may I help you? Hello, hi, good morning.
Sir, we are going to buying a plot in Preet Vihar.
Okay.
So we are coming here for investment from
Okay.
you.
Okay.
And that's why we are coming here.
Okay.
We want to build luxury flats.
Okay, fine.
4 to 5 floors.
Okay.
And the top floor we will give to charity.
Okay.
And
Interesting.
We should provide all the facilities in the flats, all luxury facilities like
lift.
Okay, you will be providing lift. So you have a plan to actually have a plot first, then
Yes.
construct a villa.
Yeah.
Villa. How many floors it will be?
5.
It will be 5 floors. Okay. So you will be giving the top floor to the charity.
Charity.
So charity means what? Like you will sell it and then fund it the amount to the charity, or you will give it to the charitable
No.
trust.
We are going to there are so many children there who does not have the food for eat or shelter for their living. So we provide us.
You will provide them for the living
Living,
purpose actually.
yes.
Okay. You will provide them for living purpose.
Yeah.
So the children will come there and they will live.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the total investment of this plot and villa?
Total amount is 7 crore.
7 crores. Okay, fine.
8 crore.
7 to 8 crores. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So who has suggested you for me that I can invest for this actually?
We have information about you from the internet.
Okay, from the internet. Okay,
Yes.
that you went through and you found me that I am investor. Okay,
Yes.
fine. What will be my profits, my share? What will be my actually benefits after I invest?
Actually,
We have given you.
We will give you.
Yeah, we will give you.
two.
40%.
You will give me the 30%. 30% of the profit or 30% of the total income?
30% of the profit.
30% of the profit. Okay. So it will take 7 to 8 crores rupees.
Yes.
And how many flats will be there?
5.
There will be 5 floors.
Yes.
So one floor will have one flat,
Yes.
right? And what is the price of one flat?
6 crore.
6 crores. 6 multiply 5 is equal to 6 पंचे 30. So 30 crores will be there. 30 crores. It will be investment of 7 to 8 crores and there will be 30 crores. It means 22 crores will be the profit.
Yes.
And in the 22 crores of the profit, I will be getting 30% profit, right?
Yes.
And what investment you want from me?
20 crores.
Investment of 20 crores you want from me.
No, the Yeah.
If I invest 20 crores and you will be giving me from 22 crores of 30%, what will be my profit? It will be, I will be in the loss.
So
fine.
10 crores.
You will ask for 10 crores. Again, I'm in the loss. Yet I'm in the loss. Because from 22 crores, you will give me only 30%. So what is the 30% of 22 crores? Like if you talk about 20 crores, 30%, it's just, it's just, I think, 6 crores. 6.5 crores. So 6.5 crore you will be giving in the profit, and you are asking 10 crores from me. It will be 2.5 or 3.5 lakhs crores will be my loss.
Then we will give you with the principal amount and interest plus.
Okay.
Right?
You will
10
give me
plus 6 crores.
Acha, 10 plus 6 crores.
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's great. Why this idea has come into your mind? Like, why have you chosen Preet Vihar? आपने Preet Vihar क्यों चुना? Like, what is the main purpose behind this? Because it's already very royal area,
Yes.
right? Yes.
Yeah, marketing,
Okay.
mall,
Hmm.
सब कुछ पास पास है.
Achha, everything is close to Preet
Yes.
Vihar. But Preet Vihar area is actually costly, so it
Yes.
needs more investment. It needs more investment. Do you think that the flats will be sold? लग रहा है कि flats बिक जाएगा?
Yes,
Yes,
of
yes,
course.
yes.
Because
Of course.
That's very
there will be there are so many richer sections living there.
Hmm.
That's why.
They can buy that.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Because in my flats there is all the automatics things are
Switch.
available.
Okay, all the automatic switches
Yes.
will be available.
Yes.
Tell me some more facilities of your flat actually, or of your villa. Tell me some more facilities. कि what all will you be providing? क्या क्या आप provide कर रहे हो?
4 BHK,
Hmm.
lift,
Hmm.
parking,
Hmm.
park,
Park. Okay, fine.
swimming pool.
Okay.
Mostly,
And what is the total plot area?
500
It's a 500.
gaj.
500 gaj. So in 500 gaj, everything can be available.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So whom would you like to give contract for construction? Like any builder is there that especially that you would like to give the contract, or you will have your own construction?
We have our
Own construction,
yeah.
okay.
Our company name is ABS Buildhome.
ABS?
Buildhome.
Okay, build
Private
home.
limited.
Private limited.
Yes.
So what do you mean by ABS? What is the full form of ABS? Do you have any full form?
Abbasi.
Abbasi. Okay, fine. So Abbasi is your actually title.
Yes.
So Abbasi is your caste
Yes.
or title. Okay, fine. So who is in this business? Like you came to this business, or your father started this business?
My
Acha.
father.
Okay, you started this
Yes.
business. He's taking credits,
Yes,
right?
very
Okay,
good.
very nice that you are taking credits. Fine. Okay, so are there some parking, more space of the parking? Like the basement will be the parking space, or the basement there will be villa, or there will be flat on the basement?
It's a parking facility.
Complete parking
Yes.
facility. Okay, so there will be only parking facility, or some more facilities will be there in the basement? Ki like the swimming pool will be in the basement?
No. There is nothing in the basement.
Nothing in the basement. Only parking
Only
will be there.
parking.
So where will be the swimming pool? In the lawn?
Yes.
Yes. in
Okay.
the lawn.
What about the sport ground? Like will you be
Park,
providing?
yeah.
Park
Gym.
will be providing.
We will make park and swimming pool.
Okay.
On the.
As you will make with park in swimming pool in the park, and there will be some outdoor outdoor
And
gym machines also,
activities, yeah.
activities. So can we play football, cricket?
Yes,
Cricket
of
ground?
course.
Cricket
No.
ground? No, cricket not.
Gym.
Okay, gym will be there. Outdoor gym or
Yes.
indoor gym?
Yes.
Yes.
Outdoor gym or indoor? Outdoor gym, just like government is
Yes,
providing.
government, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I will think for this. Actually, it's a nice deal. Right. So I need to invest how much? I need to invest
So 10 crores.
10 crores. Okay. From the 10 crores, I'll be getting 16 crores
16
in the
crores.
return. And after how many months or years I will be getting this amount, 16 crores?
After 1 year,
After 1 year. So how much will it take to construct the villa actually?
4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months, and after 4 to 5 months, it means it will take 6 months to sell it.
Sell it, yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Sure, I'll plan for this and I'll think over it, and definitely I would love to invest in your business, right? ABS, right?
ABS.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, so this was a great session that it was, they were from, Basi exactly builder that they were asking and they were demanding the amount, that 10 crores amount from me to invest for their upcoming project, which is about taking the plot and constructing a villa of 5 floors and 5 flats. First of all, they will construct and they will sell, and they will be providing me the 30% of the profit share, and it's an amazing deal, and let's see that how I can do that.